Hi, and welcome back to NDI Central Live, once again here at NAB 2018. We are here in the South Hall of the Las Vegas Convention Center, webcasting live from the NewTek booth. You know, one of the popular topics at the show, and today in general, is live video over the web. And to talk to us about that is David Querg, of Head of Products UX of Make TV Incorporated. Welcome, David.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Well, tell us a little bit about Make TV.
So Make TV is basically a company right now with a core engineering team based in Cologne, Germany. We were founded in about 2009. And last year we had a great funding Series A round of 8.5 million, and we are producing cloud-based tools, developing cloud-based tools for broadcaster and publisher needs.
Okay. And how are these tools being used?
So when we are talking about live video, it totally depends on the field we are talking about. So let's say if we are talking about news, it's all about acquiring content super fast and using it instantly within your production. When it is about, let's say, sports, it's all about decentralizing productions, basically creating remote productions and scaling things up, like input and output wise. When it comes to esports, it's more about scaling the output side completely, like reaching multiple destinations at the same time, increase your audience and increase revenue in the end with that.
Okay.
And when it comes to entertainment, it's basically about creating new show concepts, like enable audience participation, for example.
Okay. Like multiple location audiences and more
like
interactive.
Become a part of the program, basically.
Okay.
Right?
Right. So you're bringing high-quality video streams from pretty much anywhere in the world to anywhere in the world.
Correct.
Okay.
That's absolutely correct.
Well, multi-camera decentralizing has been a real hot topic lately, particularly, well, in all sorts of productions, but being able to bring multiple cameras from one location to another location in the world and produce a program with that, right?
Yeah.
And this is something that is NDI compatible through NewTek Connect Pro?
Correct. Yeah. That's absolutely correct. So what we are basically providing with the Live Video Cloud is something like, from a technical standpoint, a gateway to the public internet that enables you basically to acquire sources over the public web through your local, into your local NDI infrastructure.
Okay. That's fantastic. I mean, it really it really bridges the gap between one location and any other location in the world to be able to bring that live video source in.
Exactly.
And again, you're using NewTek product, NewTek Connect Pro, to access those streams that you're bringing in.
Correct.
To that local production. So who are some of the you named esports, you named regular sports, news. You really seem to cover a wide variety of different types of projects, don't you?
Yeah, absolutely correct. And I mean, there are a lot of exciting ones in the world right now as well. One that is the most exciting one for us is the development of WebRTC-based contributions. So when it comes to enabling audience participation, it's always a matter of making it super fast and super simple for the user in the end, on the contribution side. So, and what is there important for us is basically enable the producer of using the Live Video Cloud to super fast and easy select the content that is relevant for his production. So we are basically combining the power of mobile streaming via WebRTC with AI and ML and rich metadata feeds. So imagine something like the Tour de France, for example, right? Like you have a huge track, a huge distance across the track and different locations and so forth. And you enable your audience in each location to just contribute their feed, and what you end up with is basically like 200 live feeds of one event at the same time. And now you have the problem or the challenge that you need to overcome to just filter the relevant content and distribute that to your local infrastructure, like NDI, for example. And what we do there right now is partnering with AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Velosa as well, to figure out to make this really work properly in the live context. So this is a bit of a challenge right now, but we are pretty much there. Yeah, this is pretty exciting.
So how does someone utilize your services? Is it kind of a custom application, kind of a case by case?
Yeah, thanks for asking. So the Live Video Cloud is a completely cloud-based infrastructure for live video. It's a SaaS platform. We are running on the 3 major cloud providers: AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. And what you basically do is you don't need to install anything on your local machines. You don't need hardware to use us. You just you access the product via Google Chrome, for example, like a modern web browser, and go on from there. You just decide which ingest locations you need and how many multi-views you need, for example, and what outputs you need, where they should be, where the destinations should be going, and that's it. From there on, you can just use them. And basically, the fun thing really is that you can change that from like within the next hour from one to the other location.
Fantastic.
Pretty flexible and fast.
Wow. And how would someone find out more about Make TV?
The easiest way, I guess, is just today visit us at our booth upstairs. It's do you have the right number? I'm always forgetting. I think it's SU7110.
Okay.
Well, not one, but you will see it.
Okay.
Like a big red box at the top.
Okay, upstairs.
Yeah, exactly. So, the other solution is, of course, visit make.tv.
Make.tv?
Make.tv.
Make.tv,
yeah.
Okay, very good. Well, David, thanks for joining us today and telling us about Make TV. And again, if you want to find out more, just go to make.tv or visit them upstairs in the South Hall at NAB. Well, don't go away. We'll have more after a short break.